Now 21 minutes past 4. Now, COVID might not be in the news every day anymore, and for some it may be almost a distant memory now. But an estimated 1.2 million families in the UK are still living restricted lives, or they're shielding because family members have weak immune systems, maybe caused by cancer treatments or other health issues. Well, today a survey has been launched to discover how the continuing need to limit contact with others is affecting the mental health and political engagement of people in these particular groups. Dr. Luca Bernardi from Liverpool University is one of the leaders of the study. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon. Hi, everyone listening.
Thanks for coming on. Some of these people have been shielding for more than, 3 years now, I guess. That must have a real impact on them, on how they feel.
Oh, yeah, definitely. And there already is some evidence, actually, about this. And my collaborator in this project, Dr. Jo Daniels from the University of Bath, she conducted with her team some good research on this. And actually, she found that mental health was consistently lower in the shielding population in comparison to the general public, that the length of time shielding was associated with more severe mental health problems. But the situation wasn't good also for those ones shielding other people whose mental well-being was affected as well.
I mentioned the study, this new study being launched. So tell us about that and what you hope to find out.
So this is a joint effort between myself. I'm a political scientist based at the University of Liverpool, and Dr. Jo Daniels, who is a psychologist. She's based at Bath University, and the All-Party Parliamentary Group on Vulnerable Populations to Pandemics, and the organization Forgotten Lives UK. So this is a joint project with all these actors involved. And it's based on a project that I was conducting in the UK about the impact of COVID on mental health and political engagement. And, well, what we found in previous research looking at the overall population was that, yeah, definitely worries about infection and illness were associated with depression, anxiety, and stress, or financial worries about COVID associated with stress and dissatisfaction with government, or people were worried about the long-term societal implications of COVID, and these had impacted their feelings of representation and their satisfaction with the way the government was handling the pandemic. And crucially, I would say, for democracy, the likelihood of voting. Actually, there was also some mobilizing effect of some of these factors related to being stressed because you are restricted and your social contacts are reduced. And so we think that the situation might be worse for clinically vulnerable populations, just like the ones that we're interested in the survey. We obviously cannot tell you anything yet because we just launched the survey today, so we want to wait for the data to come. But yeah, we definitely expect that the situation will be worse for this group of people.
So how long will this study last then? How many are you hoping to hear from? And when will you have some findings, do you think?
So we want to keep it open probably until early September, so to give people time to respond to the survey. And the results will be presented in Parliament in late November. So this is our timeline.
And you want to, as you say, to keep it going for as long as possible so people can contribute. How can people find out more? Can they find the survey and can they fill it in for you? How do they do that, if so?
Yeah, so there are 3 ways in which they can take the surveys. So one is that they go to the website of Forgotten Lives UK, which is forgottenlives.uk, and they can take the survey from there. But they can also find it on the Facebook page of the organization of Forgotten Lives UK and through the Twitter account as well. And today we've been tweeting about the launching the survey multiple times. So some people have already taken the survey. So thanks to those who have already taken it.
All right, very interesting, and look forward to hearing more about the results when they come up later in the year. But thank you for your time this afternoon, Dr. Luca Bernardi there of Liverpool University. The website is forgottenlives.uk. Very easy. If you search for Forgotten Lives, comes straight up. Forgottenlives.uk. And you can take part in that survey and find out more.